everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gamers Tech. In today's video, we will be learning how to accept friend request on Monopoly Go application using your mobile device. To accept a friend request in Monopoly Go, first of all, open up the Monopoly Go application and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page, tap on the friends icon at the bottom right corner. It is usually represented by two shaking hands. Simply tap the friends option in the bottom right and then you will be able to see all your friends' requests. All the incoming friend requests will be listed on the page under Add Friends. Find the friend request you want to accept and tap the Accept button in green right next to their name. Once accepted, the friend will be added to your friend list. That is how you can easily accept a friend request in Monopoly Go. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Gamers Tech for more Monopoly Go tips and tricks. See you again in the next video.